Hello there, health fanatics. Are you prepared to discover the secrets to a better, healthier self? Today, we're delving into a problem that affects millions of men worldwide, yet is rarely discussed openly: erectile dysfunction, or ED. So, what precisely is ED, and why does it occur? More importantly, could the answer be as easy as what is in your glass? Stay closely, because we're about to look into the finest drinks for erectile dysfunction. But first, let us break it down. Erectile dysfunction occurs when a man is unable to achieve or maintain a hard, adequate erection for sex. But what causes it? Stress and anxiety can lead to impaired blood flow, as well as certain health disorders such as diabetes and high blood pressure. You could be thinking, isn't there medication for this? Sure, there are many medicines out there that promise rapid solutions, but here's the catch. Many of these medications have a long list of negative effects and can occasionally be harmful rather than beneficial. Yikes! This is where natural therapies come in. Nature has provided us with remarkable nutrients that can improve sexual wellness without causing dangerous side effects. Curious about which drinks might naturally enhance your performance and improve ED? From pomegranate juice to beet smoothies, we have a selection of tasty and health-boosting beverages that you won't want to miss. They aren't just tasty. They're high in nutrients that help improve blood flow, boost mood, and promote general health. Stay tuned as we unveil the best drinks for naturally combating erectile dysfunction. Whether you need a boost or are simply inquisitive about living a healthy lifestyle, this video is for you. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to never miss out on our latest health tips and tricks designed to alter your health one sip at a time. Let's get started. Just a reminder that the information in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to be a substitute for expert medical advice. Please keep in mind that all of the content on this website has been verified by a team of experienced researchers. Okay, let's look at our top selections for the finest drinks to battle erectile dysfunction. Begin with our first choice, pomegranate juice. Starting your day with a glass of pomegranate juice will considerably help you overcome erectile dysfunction. This drink is high in antioxidants, notably polyphenols, which help improve blood flow. Improved blood circulation is required to achieve and maintain an erection. The essential chemical in pomegranate juice is known as puno. This potent antioxidant boosts nitric oxide levels in the body. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator. This means that it relaxes and widens blood vessels, allowing more blood to flow to the penis. This technique is crucial for conquering the problems that come with education. A study published in the journal Medicine in Omics in 2023 proved the efficacy of pomegranate juice in treating erectile dysfunction. The study found that men who ingested pomegranate juice on a daily basis, when compared to a placebo group, participants experienced significant improvements in erectile function. This enhancement was linked to the juice's ability to improve endothelial function and boost nitric oxide availability, both of which are necessary for adequate erectile response. Adding pomegranate juice to your morning routine is simple. Drink a glass of fresh pomegranate juice with your breakfast, or make a smoothie with other fruits and vegetables. This not only ensures that you benefit from the strong compounds found in pomegranates, but it also sets a healthy tone for the remainder of your day. Next. Number 2. Beet juice. Including beet juice in your daily routine can help you overcome erectile dysfunction. This colorful juice contains nitrates, which your body converts to nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a potent vasodilator, which means it relaxes and expands blood vessels, increasing blood flow throughout the body, including the penis. Improved blood circulation is critical for achieving and maintaining erections, making nitrates an important factor in managing ED. One study published in the Face Subjournal in 2017 emphasized the benefits of nitrates in treating ED. Researchers discovered that daily beet juice consumption resulted in a significant increase in erectile function. This is because nitric oxide not only improves blood flow but also lowers blood pressure, easing some of the underlying cardiovascular disorders that might lead to ED. To incorporate beet juice into your daily routine, start with a fresh glass of this nutrient-rich beverage. You can juice fresh beets or buy 100% pure beet juice from a health store to get an extra health boost. Combine it with other ingredients, such as ginger or lemon, for additional health benefits. This simple addition to your daily routine can have long-term advantages for both erectile function and overall cardiovascular health, making it a natural and effective ED treatment option. The third option is green tea. Green tea in the morning can be an effective ally in battling erectile dysfunction due to its high catechin content. Catechins are antioxidants that improve blood vessel function, hence increasing blood flow. They function by increasing the synthesis of nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels and increases circulation. Improved blood flow is essential for obtaining and keeping an erection. Thus, green tea is an excellent complement to your morning routine. A 2021 study, published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine, discovered that daily green tea consumption significantly improved erectile function in males with mild to moderate ED. The study found that catechins not only improve cardiovascular health, but also lower oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which contribute to ED. Adding green tea to your morning routine is simple. Begin by making a fresh cup of high-quality green tea leaves or tea bags. To extract the most catechins, brew the tea for 3 to 5 minutes. Drinking it first thing in the morning can assist to jumpstart your metabolism and deliver sustained energy throughout the day. Consider mixing green tea with a nutritious breakfast that includes fruits, whole grains, and lean meats. This combination can improve general health and sexual performance, providing a natural and effective way to combat ED. Fourth, watermelon juice. Watermelon juice in the morning can operate as a natural alternative to Viagra, aiding in the treatment of erectile dysfunction due to its high level of an amino acid known as citrulline. Citrulline is metabolized by the body to arginine, another amino acid that stimulates the synthesis of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes and dilates blood vessels, increasing blood flow to different regions of the body, including the penis, which is required to achieve and maintain an erection. A crucial study published in 2021 Inches, the World Journal of Males' Health discovered that citrulline supplementation dramatically enhanced erectile performance in males with mild ED. The study found that the natural increase in nitric oxide synthesis from citrulline-rich foods, such as watermelon, could improve erectile firmness and satisfaction without the adverse effects associated with prescription treatments. Incorporate watermelon juice into your daily routine. Begin by combining fresh watermelon pieces into a delicious juice and drinking it on an empty stomach to increase absorption and efficiency, ensuring that the beneficial chemicals are available to your body throughout the day. Consider adding some lime or mint for extra taste and benefits. Drinking watermelon juice on a regular basis not only improves erectile function, but it also helps with general hydration and nutrition, setting a healthy tone for the day. Comes next with ginger tea at number 5. Starting the day with a cup of warm ginger tea can be an effective way to prevent erectile dysfunction. Ginger includes bioactive substances such as ginger oil and shigel, which are powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agents. These chemicals improve blood circulation by increasing the synthesis of nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and increases blood flow. Improved blood flow is essential for achieving and maintaining erections because it guarantees that the penile tissues get enough oxygen and nutrients. Furthermore, ginger has been demonstrated to improve cardiovascular health, which is closely related to erectile function. Poor heart health can contribute to erectile dysfunction. Therefore, keeping your cardiovascular system healthy is critical. A 2022 study published in India demonstrated ginger's potential for increasing erectile function. The study discovered that ginger supplementation dramatically improved erectile response in subjects by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are important factors to ED. Incorporate ginger tea into your morning routine. Simply immerse fresh ginger slices in boiling water for around 10 minutes. Adding a little honey or lemon can improve the flavor and provide additional health benefits. Drinking this first thing in the morning will not only jumpstart your metabolism, but it also provides a natural boost to your sexual health, making it a simple and beneficial practice to develop. Aloe vera juice is up next at number 6. This nutrient-dense beverage contains vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that promote general health and may improve erectile function. Aloe vera includes anti-inflammatory and antioxidant components such as polysaccharides, sterols, and amino acids. Contributes to improved blood circulation and hormonal balance. One important mechanism is an increase in testosterone levels. Aloe vera juice has been demonstrated to boost the synthesis of this important hormone that affects sexual health. Increased blood flow is another advantage, due of aloe vera's capacity to increase nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide helps to relax blood arteries. This allows for improved circulation, which leads to stronger erections. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Plants Research in 2014 discovered that aloe vera supplementation could dramatically enhance erectile function in males with mild to moderate erectile dysfunction. The study found that regular drinking of aloe vera juice resulted in considerable improvements in sexual performance and overall happiness, most likely due to its capacity to lower oxidative stress and promote vascular health. Adding aloe vera juice to your morning ritual is simple. Begin with a small amount, such as 1 to 2 ounces, mixed into water or your favorite smoothie. This not only ensures that you receive the advantages on an empty stomach, but it also sets a positive tone for the remainder of your day. Over time, this tiny change can help to improve sexual health and overall well-being. Grapefruit juice is up next at number 7. Grapefruit juice is high in antioxidants and vitamin C, but the most important component for ED is arangenin, a flavonoid with powerful vasodilatory properties. Arangenin improves blood flow by relaxing blood vessels, which is essential for having a healthy erection. The mechanism is based on naringenin's capacity to increase nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is a chemical that promotes blood channel dilatation and is therefore essential for vascular health. This increase in blood flow may ameliorate the symptoms of erectile dysfunction by guaranteeing enough blood supply to the penile tissues. A 2019 study appeared in the Journal of Food Biochemistry, emphasized the advantages of naringenin. Researchers discovered that drinking grapefruit juice on a regular basis dramatically enhanced erectile function in males suffering from mild to moderate erectile dysfunction. The study indicated that improved erectile function was related to increased nitric oxide bioavailability and endothelial function. Grapefruit juice is a vital component of healthy erections. Simply drink a glass with your breakfast. It goes nicely with a balanced meal like oatmeal, yogurt, or a protein-packed breakfast. Starting your day with this nutrient-dense juice can be a pleasant and health-boosting routine that may help manage erectile dysfunction naturally. 8th, black coffee. Black coffee in the morning might be an effective ally in combating erectile dysfunction. Caffeine is the main ingredient that provides this advantage. Caffeine is a natural stimulant that promotes blood flow and vascular function, both of which are essential for erectile performance. Caffeine stimulates the central nervous system, increasing the levels of dopamine, a neurotransmitter linked to sexual pleasure. The method is based on caffeine's capacity to relax the smooth muscles of the penile arteries while increasing nitric oxide synthesis, a chemical that dilates blood arteries, allowing more blood to flow to the penis. Improved blood circulation is required to achieve and maintain an erection, A study published in the journal Peel Loss 1 in 2015 found that coffee has a favorable effect on ED. The study found that males who drank 2 to 3 cups of coffee per day had a considerably lower chance of acquiring ED than non-coffee drinkers. The study concluded that caffeine use was connected with a increased the likelihood of ED by improving blood flow and endothelial function. Adding black coffee to your morning routine is straightforward. Start your day with a freshly prepared cup of black coffee to reap the erectile health advantages. Avoid using too much sugar or cream, as this can offset some of the health benefits. Consuming black coffee as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle can help to improve erectile function and general well-being. Milk is up next, at number 9. One of the main advantages of milk is its high vitamin D concentration. Vitamin D is vital for maintaining good endothelium function, which is required for normal blood flow. Adequate blood flow is required to achieve and maintain erections. Low vitamin D levels have been related to ED as inadequate. Vitamin D can cause endothelial dysfunction, which reduces blood flow to the penis. Furthermore, milk provides critical minerals such as calcium and protein, which promote general health. Calcium aids in muscular contraction and nerve signaling, both of which are essential for sexual function. Milk protein promotes the synthesis of nitric oxide, a chemical that relaxes blood arteries and increases blood flow. A 2023 study published in the journal Biomolecules discovered a link between increased vitamin D levels and greater penile function. The study found that males with adequate vitamin D levels had a reduced incidence of ED than those with a deficiency. This emphasizes the necessity of include vitamin D-rich foods, such as milk, in your diet. To incorporate milk into your morning routine, try adding it to your cereal, blending it into smoothies, or simply drinking a glass. Starting your day with milk not only increases your vitamin D consumption, but it also promotes general sexual health and well-being. Number 10. Smoothies with spinach and berries. Spinach is high in folate, a natural form of vitamin B9, which promotes blood flow. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation throughout the body, including the penis, which is necessary for maintaining an erection. Berries like blueberries and strawberries are high in flavonoids and antioxidants. Flavonoids have been proven to lower the risk of ED by improving cardiovascular health and increasing blood flow. A research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2023, men who consumed more flavonoids were 21% less likely to develop erectile dysfunction. Berries' antioxidants also fight oxidative stress and inflammation, which can harm blood vessels and decrease blood flow. Combining spinach and berries in a smoothie is a nutritious and tasty way to start the day. To make a basic smoothie, combine a handful of fresh spinach, a cup of mixed berries, a banana for creaminess, and a splash of almond milk or water. Add a tablespoon of chia or flax seeds, which are strong in omega-3 fatty acids and promote cardiovascular health. Incorporating this smoothie into your morning routine guarantees that you begin the day with a nutrient-dense meal that promotes overall health and may treat erectile dysfunction symptoms via enhanced blood flow and lower oxidative stress. That's all for today's video. We hope you found these recommendations for the best drinks for erectile dysfunction useful and easy to implement into your regular routine. We now want to hear from you. What is your favorite drink on the list? Do you drink any of these beverages on a daily basis? Have you seen a difference in your sexual or general health? Perhaps you have other methods for battling erectile dysfunction that you'd like to share with us. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment. Your input inspires us to create more stuff like this and helps us identify what you find most useful. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the bell icon to receive notifications and give it a thumbs up. Cheers to a better and happier you, and see you in the next video.